Welcome back. In this session, we will discuss about arrays in JSON. In JSON, JavaScript object notation, an array is represented as an ordered list of values. It is a fundamental construct that allows you to store a sequence of values in a single variable. Arrays in JSON are very similar to JavaScript arrays, but they can be used across various programming languages because JSON is language independent. An array in JSON is enclosed in square brackets, and the values are separated by commas. The values within an array can include strings, numbers, objects, other arrays, true, false, or null. Let's jump into the Visual Studio Code and write the different examples of array in JSON. Array of numbers. This represents an array of numbers, where array of numbers is the key and the associated value is an array containing the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Array of strings. Array of strings. This represents an array of strings, where array of strings is the key and the associated value is an array containing the strings apple, banana, cherry, and date. Mixed array. Mixed array. This represents a mixed array with different types of values, including numbers, strings, boolean, null, an object, and another nested array. Array of objects. Array of objects. This represents an array of objects, where array of objects is the key and the associated value is an array containing two objects. Each object has properties like ID, name, and email. Empty array. Empty array. This represents an empty array, where empty array is the key, and the associated value is an empty array. The JSON format provides a structured and easy-to-read way to represent complex data structures, making it widely used for data exchange between applications. Arrays in JSON are commonly used in API responses to represent collections of items, such as a list of user profiles, a sequence of messages, or any other collection of similar data objects. Since they are ordered, you can iterate over the values and access them using their index position in the list, starting with index 0 for the first element. Thanks for watching. This is what I wanted to show you in this session. See you in the next session.